Hey everyone, I hope you are doing well. Fantasy video games and movies are very popular nowadays, so I decided to create a video lesson on how to compose a main theme in this specific genre. Fantasy music is always magical and mystical, and in this video I'll share some best practices and insights on how to achieve this mood. My music piece is in G minor with a tempo ranging between 80 and 90 BPM, and the time signature I used are 3/4 and 6/8. These time signature fit the magical mood very well, and this moderate tempo is also a good choice. But why do these time signature match this magical feel so well? Maybe because the flowing, waltz-like motion and the gentle rhythmic drive of 6/8 and 3/4 create a sense of movement and mystery. I used basic triads to keep this piece simple, as I believe simple harmonies suit it well. However, feel free to experiment with extended chords. I'd like to highlight two chord pairs that can help achieve this magical mood: the tonic minor chord and the major chord on the 4th degree. A minor chord on the 6th degree resolving to the tonic minor. Medieval instruments are my go-to tools for creating fantasy music, as they work exceptionally well for this genre. In this case, I incorporated a wooden flute, a zither, and a viola da gamba. The harp can also help achieve this mood. This piece consists of two themes, an intro and the main theme. The orchestrations are slightly different. In the intro theme, the main instrument is a wooden flute, while in the main theme, it's a female vocal. This contrast makes the music more varied and interesting. In the intro theme, the first violins play the exact same melody as the wooden flute, but an octave lower. The second violins follow the first violins, while the violas play below them. It's a fairly straightforward approach. The cellos and double basses provide bass notes in both pizzicato and legato. In the main theme, the vocal takes the lead, with the first and the second violins playing above it. The violas support the vocals with harmonies. Many composers struggle with connecting two different musical themes. In this case, I simply increased the tempo, introduced a third instrument alongside the wooden flute and the vocal, and incorporated runs and suspended cymbals. These techniques can be useful in many similar situations. As I mentioned earlier, I used the wooden flute as the main instrument, but I also incorporated other woodwinds. In the intro theme, the oboes play trills and legato passages. In the main theme, the flutes provide trills, one of the oboes plays together with the vocals, and the clarinet follows them. I think a vocal and an oboe can blend seamlessly to create an interesting tone. The piccolo plays runs. In the intro theme, the brass section remains silent, but in the main theme, they double the violas, adding extra texture to the piece. The French horns and the tenor trombones play the exact same voices as the violas. I didn't incorporate too many percussion instruments, but I used a triangle, suspended cymbals, PRT, and bass drums. These percussion instruments add extra tension and variety to the music. All videos on this channel are free, but if you'd like to support my channel, you can do so by joining my Patreon page or even buying me a coffee. Of course, I always appreciate positive comments, likes and shares. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support.